Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a very vintage big muscle saw, and that is the 075 Stihl. That's 111cc, 6.77 cubic inch, with a 21-inch bar and chain that weighs out at 25 pounds. This one's got a 36-inch steel bar and a used 404 chain, skip tooth. And bar's in very good shape. And this is one of the earlier muscle saws, very powerful saw. Real popular for milling or cutting big wood. And this was a barn find, and I put some fuel in it and it fired right up and started and run real good. These are vintage, and you may have to do some tinkering on this saw. Any of these vintage saws may need a little tinkering. If you're not comfortable with doing a little mechanical work on them, don't bid on them. But we'll take a close-up look at some of the features it has. Kill switch is on top. Choke is on the opposite side. Has the operator presence lever. And a throttle lock right here. You squeeze both of them and trip that, and that locks the throttle. Oil and gas reservoir on top. Gas reservoir and oil reservoir is over here. Has an automatic and manual oiler, and that pump is right up front there. You see that right there behind the oil cap, there's a little pump. Large falling spikes, 2 of them. And to adjust the tension on the bar and chain, you loosen the 2 lug nuts up there on the side. And on the inside here, you'll see a tensioner screw right there. That's where you adjust the tension. You got the wrap handlebars, real popular on these large chainsaws. Muffler's in good shape. And just a fine running old vintage muscle saw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it now.